In the previous videos, we are just going through the chapter number 6, that is disease. So, in that we have talked about the disease, how the diseases are. There are two types of diseases: communicable diseases and non-communicable diseases. Communicable diseases means from this disease can travel from one person to other person by touch, sneeze, or anything else, and non-communicable diseases that cannot travel from one person to the another. We know that coronavirus just travel from one person to the another person. But if I am sitting over here and someone just have a heart attack, then I also get heart attack? No, that are non-communicable diseases. Okay, students. So communicable diseases, their exam is coronavirus, and non-communicable diseases you can take the example as the heart attack or diabetes or anything else. And then after we have seen the disease caused by microbes, in that you can see there are diseases which are caused by microbes, that are viruses, bacterial, protozoa and fungi, that we have seen. And then after airborne diseases, we have seen airborne diseases means which is spread by the air, they are known as airborne diseases. And then after we have seen the waterborne diseases, which is spread by the water, is known as waterborne diseases. And then after we have seen the childhood diseases. You know that after the birth of the child, there are some vaccines and polios and all the things are given to the child so that it is cured by the childhood diseases. Okay. And then after immunization. So what is immunization? Immunization means the if any virus or any bacteria or any fungi is just connect to your body, and you just in your body, its antibiotics automatically starts just growing, and these are known as antibiotics which grow in your body. And the external vaccine, that is known as vaccine, it is given to you so that you can cure that diseases, that is known as vaccine. Okay, moving further, disease spread by insects and animals. You know that in that mosquito spread malaria. Okay, students, this we have seen in previous video. And then after here we are at the controlling the spread of communicable diseases. How to control the spread of communicable diseases? We know that when I would like to say 24th of March, the Mr. PM Narendra Modi has come on the television live and talked about the lockdown, that it will be locked down for how many days? Anyone remember? Okay. Then what he just told all to don't go out of the house. Why? Because the coronavirus is a disease which is spread to man. So if more the people will gather, then the disease will spread more. So lockdown has given. Here I am reading over here. By keeping the surrounding clean, the spread of most diseases can be controlled. Means by keeping the surrounding clean, we should keep our surrounding clean so that the disease cannot just born. Okay. Next, the government is creating awareness about the availability of vaccine against hepatitis, polio, and so on through TV, radio, newspaper, and other mass media. These vaccines helps us to fight the diseases. So they are just telling in the social media, in the radio, in the television about these awareness of this. If the baby is born, then you should give him vaccines and some of the polio drops to it at regular time period, so that their diseases do not come to their body. And here is, remember, prevention is better than cure. Means we all have seen the Saudhan India. In that man told us, सावधान रहिए और सतर्क रहिए. That is like this. Prevention is better than cure. So we should prevent ourselves with all this, and we should wear mask, and we should sanitize our hand regularly and regular time period, not regularly but regular time period. Okay students, now see here, hygienic environment and unhygienic environment. Two pictures are given over here. See, in the hygienic environment, your house that you see is very clean, neat and clean. And unhygienic environment, you can see it is very dirty. You can see the pictures of it. And then after, see here, preventive measures. Vaccinate all children from birth to school going year against childhood disease, BCG, DPT injections. Keep surrounding clean and hygienic. Drain off stagnant water around your house. Spray insecticides to prevent mosquito from breeding. And isolate cases of communicable diseases. Person attend on the patient must take precautions. See here, first of all, the first they have give preventive. The child which are born to when they don't go up to school, you should give him BCG and DPT vaccines regularly. And then after other was keep your surrounding clean and hygienic. You should keep your surrounding clean and hygienic. So any of the disease can't just come in your body. And drain off stagnant water around your house. Spray insecticides to prevent mosquito from breeding. Means the water which which are there, then we should not just keep it. We should throw it the water, and we should spray the insecticides for the breeding, so the mosquito do not breed. And isolate case of communicable diseases. Person attending on the patient must take common precautions. Means if you have communicable diseases, then you have to isolate yourself so that other do not get the disease. Okay. Fifth one, keep items used by the patient such as towel, cup and utensils separate. Means in the communicable diseases, you have to keep this all things separate from you and that person. Towel and other towel, cups, utensils. Okay, this all the things you should keep separate. And here the last, the room where a sick person stays should be cleaned with an disinfectant. Means the room should be clean with disinfectant. Okay students, why? Because when in some diseases our body becomes weak and another disease can also be there, so the room should be disinfected. Take anti-cholera and anti-typhoid inoculation if you are going to be travel and are not sure of the quantity of drinking water on the way. So what are they telling? You should take a tablet of anti-cholera and anti-typhoid when you are just traveling. Okay, so if you don't drink more, you cannot drink more water, then it is helpful. Okay students, moving towards next. Here we have completed the chapter and now we are just going through the exercise of it. Let us see students the exercise of it. So here first is match the following. So in that, the first one, A is fever, cough, cold, body pain. Then what is it? In A, it will be 3, flu. Okay, it will be flu. Then comes B, that is acute diarrhea. So in that it will be cholera, that is 5. cholera, and C, that is yellow coloration of eye. Yellow coloration of eye. In that it will be one, that is hepatitis. Okay. Another one, that is D, fever and shivering. Fever and shivering. That is 2, malaria. E, that is swollen neck. So for that is mumps. Okay students, and then after there is choose the correct answer. So that I am writing over here in this side. That is question number 2. Dash helps turn milk into curd. So in that the first answer will be, sorry, A, not first. A will be bacteria. B, dash is caused by protozoa. B, dash is caused by protozoa, that is density. C, inoculation protects you against dash, polio. C, that is polio. Then comes D, dash affects the digestive tract, that is typhoid. E, that is dash is waterborne diseases, that is hepatitis. Okay, and F, dash is spread by rats. Bubonic plague. Okay students, so these are the answers of choose the correct answer, and now we will move further for question number 3, that is fill in the blanks. So question number 3, that is fill in the blanks. In that, the first one, that is diseases that spread by direct contact are called dash diseases. So here it was given on the page number, here it is communicable diseases, or you can say in the direct contact, then it will be contagious diseases. In the A it will be contagious diseases. B, some diseases caused by bacterial infections are. So bacterial infections that are typhoid, tuberculosis, and cholera. Cholera. So these are the three. Another, skin diseases are usually caused by dash. So in that C, it will be fungi. And then comes D. Tuberculosis is a bacterial dash. Sorry, tuberculosis is a dash disease, that is bacterial disease. Then going towards next, that is dash, dash and dash are childhood diseases. So first, that is mumps. Second, measles, and third, that is chicken pox. Chicken pox. So these are the answers of fill in the blanks. And now going toward true or false. So question number 4. All microbes are harmful to human beings. So in that A, that is false. B. Mumps and measles are mostly childhood diseases. B. That is true. C. Chicken pox causes swelling in the gland near the neck. That is false. D. Dengue is spread by mosquito. That is true. E. Vaccination protects you against certain diseases. Yes, true. So these are the answers of match the following, choose the correct, and fill in the blank. Students, please note down this. I am just giving you time. And now we will write the answers of question answer, students. I forgot to just give in the material of this chapter, so we will write fast the question answers of this in the board only, so you can just copy. Okay, I am just writing on the board only, students. Okay, students, the answers are, I think, long of 3 to 4 lines. So what I will just do is, I will click the photos and send in the group, so you can write from that pictures. Otherwise, I will write one by one all this, then it will take the time. Okay, students, so here we have completed the chapter, and I will send the answers of the question answer in the group by clicking the photos. Okay, students, by clicking the photos. So now Here we have completed our course. In the exam there were how many chapters? 1 to 6 that we have done, students. So from in the paper, when there is our paper, and before the paper, one day before the paper, I will send a video of all these syllabus explanation, means the paper style which is given. From this, what you have to learn in the when there is paper, before the papers day, I will send a video of it. Okay students, we will meet in the next video. Okay, bye students.